Day to You audio podcast. Okay, so it is day 5 of the spring 21 day Nature Connection retreat, virtual style on Facebook. So, with it being Sunday, this is maybe one of the best days of the week for Nature Connection, especially as it's just early spring right now. And it's a lovely day. So what's interesting me is the decisions people make about where to go to spend their nature connection time, But also, I've been thinking about this audio podcast format. And I was thinking, a lot of people brand themselves these days as entrepreneurs, gurus, experts, life coaches, business coaches, etc., etc. But I am branding myself merely as a promoter of Nature Connection, GreenMoments, Nature Connection promoter. So, I was thinking I could specifically focus on one place in the real world to promote an episode. One place to visit on the internet, a concept to do with nature connection, and a person to do with nature connection. So, relating to the spring 21 day retreat, I'll do it like this. Okay, so I'll have to go with the person in Banyard, because he's the guy who founded this 21 day retreat. Concept, I'll go with natural mindfulness, which he promotes. This is just an example, by the way, of what I'm going with. Internet place to visit would have to be at natureconnection.world. And okay, place in the world to visit. Let's just go with any place that is called Central Park. You've got the one in New York, there's many around the world. I'm in one now on the Wirral. This is just an example. I'm not going to go into detail with the promotions, but I think if I'm going to put out one episode per day, and if I focus on a person, a concept, a place to visit on the internet, a place to visit in the world, just one on each, then I think that could make for interesting listening. So there we go, lovely day today. Just going back to my thoughts on people's decisions of where to go. I find this very interesting in this modern reality, just for the purpose of this episode. Instagrammability. People are picking their holiday destinations, vacation, whatever you want to call it, and some of the decisions are based on how Instagrammable it is, which is quite fascinating, really. But yeah, this is the modern day we live in, and I can totally see where people are coming from with this. So let me know any thoughts on this, and enjoy your Sunday. Take care.